I'm going to show you how you can fix your voice chat not working on Rainbow Six Siege. Now, the first thing you should always do is to check if your microphone is actually working from the Windows menu. The way you do that is that you can go to the taskbar here and you want to go ahead and go to Open Volume Mixer. Now, on Open Volume Mixer, make sure your input device is actually the right one. Make sure it's the correct one that you're actually using and not just some random one you have plugged in but you're not speaking onto. Now, once you have make sure that the input device is correct, go to sound. Now, on sound, you want to scroll down and then you want to make sure the volume for the input here is actually 100, right? If it's go to pack to 0, then you won't hear anything and your friends won't hear anything along with it as well. Now, once you have make sure that your input is actually correct, and if it still doesn't work, you can try updating your drivers. The way you do that, you just have to go to the search setting here and then just search up drivers. Now on drivers, either you go to driver, there should be a menu that pops up, but if that doesn't exist, then go to device manager here. Now on device manager here, you go ahead and open up device manager like this. Now you want to go ahead and find audio inputs and output like this. Now on here, use your current microphone here. You want to right click and then you want to tap on update driver and then just tap on search automatically for drivers and then you can see the best drivers for my current microphone is installed. So I'm good to go. Now if this still doesn't work, then you'll have to tweak a couple of your in-game settings as well. So on Rainbow Six Siege, you just have to go to home and then audio and then make sure the master volume is at a reasonable rate. And also the voice chat volume is also at 100 or at a reasonable rate as well. Now after that's done, you want to also make sure that the voice chat record mode is also open. The voice chat record level is at 100 and the voice chat record threshold is at 30.